Hi guys. So this is Miss Amy here. This is Ava. You want to say hi, Ava? You've seen her before in some of my science experiment videos. We are going to read If Animals Celebrated Christmas. The author that wrote the book's name is Anne Whitford Paul, and the illustrator, the guy that drew the picture's name is David Walker.
Sounds like David Walker from Elf.
If animals celebrated Christmas, koala high in a tree would cheer, "Christmas is coming, it's almost here." Tortoise would tuck in his head and hiss, making a secret holiday wish. Penguin and chick would slowly float, writing letters to Santa on their icy flow boat. The bells on oryx's horns would ring, ting, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling-ling. If animals celebrated Christmas, koala and mama would lazily drape their tree with long strands of berries and grapes. Then they'd ask Al, "Can you fly up high? Our top needs a star plucked from the sky." Beaver would gnaw, gnaw, gnaw trees with his teeth, breaking off branches for a holiday wreath. Hedgehog would purr and knit, knit with her quills. If animals celebrated Christmas, koala would stir, helping Papa make a yum, yum, leafy, Santa-shaped cake. Yeah. Have you ever had a leafy cake, Ava?
No.
Do you think it would be good?
No.
Why not?
Because I've tried leaves before. They're disgusting.
They're disgusting? Ugh. Crabs would scamper from the deep dark sea and build a seashell Christmas tree. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful seashell tree. Papa and Mama Buffalo would grunt greetings and kiss beneath the mistletoe. Crane carolers would flap, flap their wings. Hark, we blessed birds all sing. If animals celebrated Christmas, koala would hang up her stocking and cuddle with Mama and Papa a holiday huddle. Then she'd fall asleep in her high branch bed with visits of reindeer flying through her head, a team of them fast on their way. Pulling polar bear Santa in his gift-heavy sleigh. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. The end. Ava, do you think the animals celebrate Christmas the same as us? You don't think so? What did they do different?
The koala made a leaf cake that had Santa.
Right. What else? So they didn't make cookies for Santa. They made a leaf cake for Santa.
Yeah.
What else did they do different?
I don't know.
What about, was their Christmas tree the same?
No.
What was it?
It was a seashell Christmas tree.
A seashell Christmas tree? Do you want to come and tell all of my friends at school Merry Christmas? Do you want to come and say Merry Christmas? From Miss Amy, Ava, and Austin, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye.
Good job.